As a cancer survivor, I've been trying really hard to reduce the amount of harsh chemicals I use around my home and yard. But the problem was my weeds were out of control. I'm talking giant weeds popping up in the rocks, cracks in the driveway, along the fence line, and spreading everywhere. I did not want to spray toxic weed killers all over the place, especially around pets and family, but I also needed something that worked. And my landscaper suggested trying 30% vinegar. Honestly, I was skeptical, but this right here is the Harris 30% vinegar concentrated extra strength, and I was absolutely shocked at how effective it was. Within 24 hours, the weeds I sprayed were completely wilted and dying. I literally stood there staring at my yard thinking, wait, why did nobody tell me about this sooner? And this stuff is strong. It's 30% concentrated vinegar, which is over 6 times stronger than regular household vinegar, so it goes a long way. Okay, so here's the weed killer recipe I've been using. 3 cups of the Harris 30% vinegar, about 1/4 cup table salt, and 1 dash of dish soap. Mix it together in a spray bottle and spray generously directly onto the weeds. The dish soap helps it stick to the leaves, and the vinegar and salt work together to dry the weeds out fast. I like to spray it when it's sunny outside because the heat seems to help it work even better. And yes, you do want to avoid spraying plants or grass you actually want to keep because this stuff does not mess around. One thing I love is how easy and affordable this is compared to constantly buying expensive weed killers. Plus, I personally feel better avoiding all those harsh chemical smells. Now, quick disclaimer because I know people ask, this is concentrated vinegar, so definitely wear gloves and be careful with your eyes and skin because it's much stronger than cooking vinegar. But if you've been looking for a simple weed killer alternative that actually gets the job done, this has worked amazing for me. And beyond weeds, this vinegar has a ton of other uses too. You can use it for cleaning patios, outdoor furniture, mineral buildup, garage floors, laundry odor removal, and hard water stains. So it's one of those products you'll actually end up using all over the house and yard. If you're tired of battling weeds and want to try a simple, effective alternative, definitely check this out. I am honestly blown away by how well it worked.